Hey guys, I'm Jared with Stryker Boats, and we are here with a brand new 2024 Stryker RIB LUX 580. This was a custom order from a customer. He's been eyeing up a lot of our new Lux boats that we brought out a few years ago, and he wanted to do something just a little bit bigger than our standard production run. So that being said, we can do custom orders of just about any size of boat. So this one here, this is the Lux 580. So it's rated for a 12-person capacity and about 2,650 pounds of weight inside. Now, these boats are really cool. They got a lot of neat features, and we'll walk around the boat and show you some of those. So just starting here on the side and the back, you can see on this platform here, we have one of the two ladders is on here. So this guy simply comes down to the side, and you can extend that to help get yourself back onto the boat. There's some rocket launchers on the side of the tower here, and so for rods or pike poles or whatever else you may be carrying out in the water, a couple solid dock tie-off points. And coming to the back of the boat here, a wash down hose so you can wash your swimmers off. There's a water fill tank in there, so kind of a cool feature. Wash your gear off at the end of the day. So this outboard, it's a 150 Merc. On this guy, we have hydraulic steering built in. Inside this compartment is, now the motor's got to be tilted back to access that, just a hair, but you have your bilge pump and all the systems inside of there, and a nice clean rigging package out the back. So something else really cool about these is these off-step platforms. So these are nice for utilizing the space in the back of your boat or on the outboard, of course with the outboard off. The other one here has got another swim ladder built onto it, so you got kind of a multi-positioning, able to get back onto the boat. Now if you look underneath here, we got some lighting, so when you got that really neat lighted up side effects for at the dock, or whether you're just out playing around in the evening. It's just kind of a cool feature. Up top, you got your anchor light. And coming around to the side, or actually, you know what, we'll stop and look at the back of the tubes here. So as all of this tube material that is exposed underneath of the boat has Stryker Shield on there. So what that is a thick rubber coating that protects your tubes. This stuff's absolutely incredible. It will save your boat every single day you're out on the water. And it's just really nice peace of mind knowing you have something that really goes a long way in protecting your investment. This boat here, this is a PVC boat. In our climate, they do work very well. Thermal welded tubes, and we can add this shielding onto it. That is another great advantage to having that. So we have a very nice back seat for passengers. So there's a multi-cup holders. You'll see there's 3 cup holders in there, a few cup holders on the back here. Underneath here there's a lot of storage in there as well, and there's also some access for your water fuel separator, and there's some other neat stuff in there, just an easy access port for a lot of that stuff as well. And that is, we got a couple hooks. Now inside there you'll see we have a ski pole system. So that is the mounting base for the ski pole system, and that pops through the top here, and that comes down all the way into there, and there's the pump for the wash down hose, etc. Nice easy access for wiring, and there's a water fuel separator. Okay, so now at the back here as well, there's a table that flips up, so you can kind of put a meal or somewhere to just kind of make your lunch while you're out in the water. Somewhere you need to have, there's a little clip that you can flip up that locks that in place as well. But when you're not using it, you simply push down to store, keeps everything out of the way. Now coming up to the driver's compartment here, so there's a double bolster seating, very nice stitch seating in there. Up on the dash, we got a Garmin 9-inch multifunction display. There's a Fusion stereo system, and the speakers are going to be mounted up in the tower. That's something we're doing tomorrow for its lake run here. We're going to get some footage of it out in the water. A nice binnacle shift throttle box, And of course, all the control switch panel over there on the right, and the power on off down low. There's a hatch in here as well that gives you access to two fill ports on the tubes, and a nice windshield there. We did put a Scotty phone holder up there as well. The Scotty phone holder does allow you to map it. I use Navionics additionally to anything that I'm running on my GPS and my depth finder system. I use it all the time. I plan my routes on my phone. It's very easy to just have a phone holder on your boat with all of the information in a very nice touch screen, easy to use platform. Now, of course, the side step. So getting in and out of an inflatable can always be a little bit of a, not to use the word challenge, but if you're stepping on the top of a slippery tube, for some folks that can be interesting. So put these nice side steps with the EVA foam. As you're getting in the boat, you can simply grab onto the handle, step onto the nice step, and you're sure to have nice footing that way. We did this nice, I really like this EVA foam. It's a bit diamond cut rather than just the standard EVA cut. So I really like the look of it. The customer who we built this boat for, he chose this as well through the package, and we're all really happy with how that turned out. Coming to the front of the boat now, up in the bow, you can see we got, can be left in, and basically that's just like sun seating or lounge seating. Now this can all be removed and stored very easily, and then it's just standard seat in the front, and you do have room in here for your legs, so you don't need to leave this set up as a sun deck area. You can remove this and just have it as a standard area. So coming up to the front as well, we got some more dock cleats. There's a white light on the front of the boat. You got your standard navigation lights. And then of course a nice big step on top, so you always have a sure foot getting in and out of the boat. Now coming back down to the hull, you can see we got our nice, so this is a fully welded aluminum hull, beautiful hull. Rides really nice. We'll be testing this one specifically. We've had a couple other ones just like it, and what a treat they are. They just absolutely crush the waves. So we're gonna get footage of this actual boat out tomorrow, which we'll include in this video. So how is it? It looks fast.
It's going 50 miles an hour standing up.
Yeah.
It's fun.
Yeah.
It's interesting. Want to try?
Sure. We're out at Cultus Lake doing a test run on this Stryker RIB LUX 580. So far, it has been absolutely incredible. We got the 150 on here. We've hit just about 50 miles per hour so far, and I mean it could be propped up or down, but I mean if you, depending what you're looking for, if you had 14 people on board, or sorry 12 people, what it's rated for, you would want to keep it where it is. If you're looking to run fast, you could change it a bit and probably get over 50. So all things considered, man, what a treat it is to run something like this. So a few different options here. You got your bolstered sit down, or you can flip them up and you can lean into it, which is also kind of nice. So yeah, let's get some numbers here for you. Okay, ready? That's fast. Woo! 78 kilometers an hour we hit. It's fast, very fast. Woo! Huh?
What speed you get now?
78.
Yeah.